Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. We can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really fun twist on Monopoly, and this is the Disney's Villain Collection. So this is designed for kids ages 8 and older, and it's up to 6 players. You're going to get these nice little metal pieces, which are all the various villains. For example, you're going to get Corilla, Jafar, Scar, Eccentric. They're all, like I said, they're nice little metal pieces. You do get these little player cards of them all, because they're all going to have a nice, unique ability when you have what's called the Power of Flame. So you can see this is a little Power of Flames, and it goes around your character. Whoever crosses go last will essentially become holder of the Power of the Flames. So for example, the Evil Queen, she has her ability, which is whenever a player lands on a poison apple space, they steal 1 coin from any player. So each player gets their own little kind of ability, which adds just a little twist to the game. Now you can also get the Power of Flames by their various cards, such as the typical chance cards, or they also have poison apple cards. So these are basically, instead of the community chest, you get the poison apples. Once again, these cards can be helpful to you, or they can harm you depending on whatever you draw. Just a typical aspect of the Monopoly game itself. Obviously, you're going to get a single die to roll. Instead of houses, you are going to get these little purple thickets. And after you get 4 of those, then you can have an evil lair, which is in lieu of the hotel, to put on your property. As far as the coins, you're going to get basically a $1 coin and a 5 coin. These are going to be your currencies. This version of Monopoly is a lot faster paced because there's a lot less properties to collect, because they're not really properties, they are contracts. So you're going to get various contracts, and essentially there is 2 different contracts on each leg of the board, which is basically a reduced number of properties. And then you can play also, as soon as you land on it, you have to buy it whether or not you like it. And it just makes the game go a lot faster instead of spending hours on the typically Monopoly like you may be used to. But so here is the game board itself. So as you can see, you know, you got your 2 properties, 2 properties, 2 properties, 2 properties. Just like regular Monopoly, these are the lower value, and as you go around, you get the higher value. When you collect go, you get to collect the 2 coins, just like normal. Instead of the railroads, you're going to have these little cars, which will basically let you go to any property you want. That's downstream, if you will. You do still have the utilities, which is spells and potions cards. You do still have the jail, and then you still have the free parking thing. But it's a lot of fun. It's a great twist on Monopoly. It has a lot of extra little kind of creations with the little powers and the different poison apple features. But if you're looking for a great different version of Monopoly game, I think this one is a lot of fun and totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.